This video will cover two methods for retrieving footage from the Canon Vixia G20 Camcorder. Using QuickTime on a Mac, which will be the most common and simplest method, and using Adobe Media Encoder, which is recommended if you have many files or need to transcode to another format. Begin by connecting the AC power adapter to the Vixia via the port on the rear of the camera below the record button. It's not recommended to rely on battery power when doing file transfers. Connect the camera to a computer via the USB cable. The USB port on the camera can be found under the small door beneath the handle. Power on the Canon Vixia and open the LCD screen. On the side of the camera with the LCD screen, press the Playback Transfer button, represented by an icon of a camera with two arrows and a play icon. On the LCD screen, select which memory you wish to access, which for most cases will be built-in memory. You will see a drive appear on the desktop of your computer labeled Canon. Double-click on the drive labeled Canon to open it. Double-click on the item labeled AVCHD, and this will open up a QuickTime window displaying each video file that is currently on the camera. Select which file you wish to save and select OK. This will open the video clip in QuickTime. In the File menu, go to File, Export As, and select 1080p for the highest quality. Enter in a file name for the clip and select where you wish to save it. Set the drop-down menu at the bottom of the window to Greater Compatibility H.264. Press Save. Repeat these steps for each clip you wish to save. Adobe Media Encoder will be useful if you have many files or need your files in a different format, such as Apple ProRes 422. Adobe Media Encoder can be accessed on the iMacs and PCs found in the Digital Media Hub on Level G of Nielsen Library, as well as on the iMacs in the Knowledge Lab in the Alumni Gymnasium. Open Adobe Media Encoder. In the top left, under Local Drives, select Canon. Double-click the item labeled AVCHD. This will display a list of available video clips. Select each clip you wish to save from the camera, then click, hold, and drag the clips into the queue window on the right side. In the queue window, select the first item in the list, and then in the File menu, go to Edit, Select All. You should see all items listed highlighted in blue. Under the Format column, select the arrow for the first video file in the list and select H.264. Under the Preset column, select the arrow for this first video in the file list and set the preset to Match Source High Bitrate. Note that if you are doing advanced video work and you need your files as Apple ProRes 422, set the format to QuickTime and the preset to Apple ProRes 422. Next, select the Output File link and choose where you wish to save this file, such as onto an external hard drive. This step is extremely important. If you do not choose a specific location to save these files to, it will attempt to save these files back onto the camera's memory, which can cause errors. In the upper right, select the green Start Queue button. Wait until all videos have been processed and their statuses read as done.